Good morning, Saugus. I'm Sean Pacheco, and today is Thursday, April 20th.
And I'm Connor Gilbertson. This is SNN.
To celebrate Arab American Heritage Month, we thought we'd tell you about E.J. Corey.
Elias James Corey was born on July 12, 1928, in Methuen, Massachusetts, to Lebanese immigrants. At 16, he enrolled in MIT and earned both a bachelor's degree and PhD by 1951.
He began teaching at the University of Illinois at 27 and transferred to a position at Harvard 7 years later as an organic chemistry professor with an active Corey Group research program. Throughout his teaching career, he's developed multiple synthetic reagents, methodologies, and total syntheses.
His work has been honored numerous times, but in 1990, he received his most prestigious honor with a Nobel Prize for chemistry. He became the first Arab American to win a Nobel Prize and is remembered today for his incredible strides for Arabs in STEM. Please stand for the flag salute.
Please stand. Place your right hand over your heart. Ready, begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. You may now be seated.
Seniors, SNN needs your photos and videos for our annual senior slideshow. You can submit anything from your childhood through high school, whether it be sports, class life, extracurricular activities, or vacations. Be sure to submit any memories that you'd like to look back on when reflecting on your time at Saugus. Submit your photos and videos to us on our Instagram page over direct message. Email us at the link listed below, or using the QR codes posted around campus. The deadline to submit is May 1st. Speaking of seniors, SNN wants to broadcast your four-year college, trade school, or military acceptances. Once you have all of your acceptance letters, send proof of your documents as well as the school you've committed to Mrs. Hassick at the email listed below, or bring them into the counseling office at the counseling secretary desk. The deadline to submit these acceptances is next Friday, April 28th. The We're Going Places senior sweatshirt photo is now accepting photos. Submit a photo of you wearing a sweatshirt from the college, trade school, or branch of the armed services that you have committed to. For a detailed description of the format, see the announcement in the senior Google Classroom. All photos must be submitted to Mr. Fricky by Friday, May 19th. The Serenity Space will be closed all day today. If you are in need of support, please reach out to your counselor. The Serenity Space will be open again on Friday.
Now let's go to Mr. Lapata and Coach Russell with this week's Athletic Director's Minute.
Good morning, Saugus. You might not believe this, but it's our fourth take. I am Mr. Lapata. This is Mr. Russell. I take pride in being one take Lapata. Anyways, let's congratulate our boys lacrosse program. Three-time Foothill League champion, beating West Ranch last week. Great job, lacrosse. We recognize you, notice you. Coach Barbosa, thank you for all you do. Now, let's give Mr. Russell another shot here.
The first Jersey Mike's Player of the Week is boys lacrosse player Aiden Cowett. Aiden took over, winning most of the faceoffs in the second half of the game against the West Ranch team last week. 2 times he won the face and took the ball down and scored to help push the team towards a league title clinching win.
Great job. 3 straight years. That's a big deal. Good job. Second Jersey Mike's Player of the Year. Player of the Week is Natalia Juarez. Natalia is a freshman varsity swimmer who has competed in every varsity level event over the course of the season. She has demonstrated continuous improvement through the season and is one of the leaders on the team in personal best swims. In the last 3 weeks, she is 9 for 12 in best times in the events she has been entered in. Great job, everybody. Hey, things are winding down. We find out about boys volleyball playoffs on Saturday afternoon. softball, baseball, track. What else?
Track prelims,
lacrosse.
track finals.
All of that will be at the end of the end of next week. Time's flying. Mr. Russ, do you have any idea what the shortest month is?
I do not.
May. It's only 3 letters.
This is true.
All right. With that being said, let's go back to our anchor.
Thanks, One Take Lapata and 4 Take Russell. Wow. Good morning, Saugus. I'm Kaysen Markoff with today's Saugus Sports Update, which is also one take. Today, boys tennis plays Canyon, JV plays at Saugus, and varsity plays at Canyon. Both games start at 3. Please release varsity at 1:30 and JV at 1:50. Boys volleyball plays Canyon at Canyon. Frosh and JV play at 4:15 and varsity plays at 5:30. Also today, boys golf plays in Foothill League Match 5. Varsity plays at the Sand Canyon Country Club at 12. Tomorrow, baseball plays Castaic. Varsity plays at Saugus at 3:30. JV plays at Castaic at 4. Track and field competes in league prelims at COC. The meet starts at 2. Good luck to all of the Centurion athletes. That's all for today's Saugus Sports Update. Now let's go to Nina Rapol with another segment in our series, Cooking with AI.
Good morning, Saugus. This is Nina Rapol, Cooking with AI. We used ChatGPT to create a recipe using lemons, butter, shrimp, and potatoes. Today we will be making a shrimp and potato skillet. For this recipe, you will need 1 pound of baby potatoes, 1 pound of shrimp, 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 4 cloves of garlic, 1 lemon, salt and pepper to taste, and fresh parsley to garnish. Before you begin cooking, wash your hands and wear appropriate clothing. Also be sure to wash your potatoes, lemon, and parsley. First, take your lemon and zest and squeeze thoroughly to collect lemon zest and juice. Next, take your garlic cloves and chop them up until minced. Then, in a large skillet over medium-high heat, heat the butter and olive oil until the butter has melted. Next, chop up your potatoes in quarters and add them to the skillet. Cook for 10 to 12 minutes or until the potatoes are browned and crispy. Next, add your garlic to the skillet and cook for 30 seconds or until fragrant. Then, add in your shrimp and cook for 3 to 4 minutes or until the shrimp is pink and cooked through. Add the lemon juice and zest to the skillet and stir until well combined. Season the dish with salt and pepper to taste, and finally, garnish with fresh parsley before serving. This experimental dish is simple to make and can give you the gratification of an appetizing seafood feast. This has been Nina Rapol, Cooking with SNN.
Thanks, Nina. That looks absolutely superb.
Prom tickets are on sale this week for $165 with an ASB card and $170 without. All upperclassmen interested in attending must fill out the prom packet in the ASB office. Prom will be at Camarillo Ranch on April 29th from 7 to 11. The Berkeley Economic Review is open to submissions for their Spring 2023 High School Essay Contest. Winners will have their work published in the Economic Review's publication and be recognized on social media and their website. The essay is about the benefits and drawbacks of a cashless society and its potential impact. The essay must be 750 words and is due by tomorrow to the email listed below. If you have any questions, use the link. The 2023 Congressional Art Competition for District 27 is now open. To submit a piece, you must sign a student release form and include appropriate art according to this year's theme, Tribute to Military and First Responders. The winner will be flown to Washington, D.C. in June for the ceremony. For more information, use the link listed below. Submissions are due by April 28th. Auditions for all choirs will take place the last week of April and first week of May during lunch and after school in the choir room. You will need to prepare 30 seconds of a song to sing for your audition. Email Miss Holt at the email listed below or see her in room E503 to sign up and schedule an audition. For more information, use the link listed below.
Now let's go to our scholarship news.
The Dominic Michael Blackwell Memorial Scholarship is now available for all seniors. Applications can be picked up in the counseling office or on the Senior Google Classroom site. They are due to the counseling office by today.
The Canyon Theater Guild is offering scholarships of $750 to seniors. Applicants do not have to have any theater experience to be eligible. Applications can be found in the counseling office or on the Counseling Google Classroom. They are due by Sunday, April 30th.
The Phil-Am Association of SEV is open to students of Filipino descent. Students must be in the 12th grade, be active in school and community activities, and have a minimum GPA of 3.8. 3 awards will be given for $1,000, $500, and $300. To apply, check the Senior Google Classroom site or use the link listed below. The deadline to submit an application is Monday, May 15th.
That's all for today. I'm Sean Pacheco. Stay tuned for S&M Radio and Saugus Today.
And I'm Connor Gilbertson. Have a great day, and we'll see you tomorrow.